Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guy. In this video I will show you how you can use this bottle water and this clothes to train. If you're having rheumatism on your leg, you can use this bottle water. Do it at home, okay? You can use it to stretch your leg for rheumatism and what they call it, any sickness disturbing you, for rheumatism, for pains, how your knees. For you can use this bottle water, two bottle water and this clothes. Let me show you. See the two bottle water? You see it? Let's go. See? Put it in your leg like this. See? Go. You change. See? Then you change another style. Like you're kicking. Change another style. Stretch your knee. You can do the two. Yes. Oh, guys, you see, if you're having arthritis at home, you can use these two bottle water. It will help you. Make sure you do share this video and subscribe.